Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to play games on Snapchat. Without any further ado, let's go right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Snapchat app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Snapchat app, you'll be on the page from where you can take pictures. Here on the below, you'll be able to see various options. Right besides the more lenses option, you can see option chat. It is located between maps and more lenses. Tap on the option chat. If we are to talk about games on Snapchat, then previously we could easily access our games on our chats. Well, if we see it right now, then you cannot be able to see any option such as games on your Snapchat. Here is no airplane icon. So in order to access towards your game, you'll have to go back and tap on the search bar that is located on the top left hand side corner. On the search bar here, you'll have to type games and search. Once you have typed on games and search, you'll scroll down and you'll be able to see option lenses. Here you can choose your game. And here, just like that, as you can see, you have successfully opened a game. Just like that, you can go back and choose the game that you prefer and enjoy it. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.